roll out your puff pastry and then take some, yep, that's Biscoff. Pour that all over the first layer, smear it all around with a spatula, and then once that's done, put another layer of puff pastry on top. From there, get a glass bowl and just kind of mark off a center like that, and then take a sharp knife and make these slits that kind of look like a sunset or a sunrise. Then take each one of those bursts and twist them around like that. It looks so pretty. And then take a smaller glass, make another small indent, and then cover everything with an egg wash, including just the inside circle of like that middle part where the sun is. Pop this into a 400-degree oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. And wow, doesn't that look amazing? We're going to decorate with these honey twists. Snap this one in half and stick them in right in the middle. Snap another little piece and stick it right in the middle like that. Take some honey and add 2 little dots right above that last piece of pretzel, and you're going to add these really cute, adorable candy eyeballs. And look, you've got a Thanksgiving turkey that'll impress everybody.